Bye, Las Vegas. Oh my God. Thank you.
All right. Here we go.
Hi, nice to meet
you're
you.
beautiful. How did you manage that?
It's all a matter of luck, I guess.
I
Like
guess.
Vegas.
Come on in, we'll get you
Thank
checked
you.
in here.
Elizabeth's bag. We're all set.
Thanks. How are you going to make some nice picture with your video?
Mark, how are you? And this is my first time. So I guess a maiden flight, is that what you would call it?
Oh.
She's in for as big a treat as you are.
Yes, I have
She's
never
never
been
been
on a
on this
helicopter. I married many people, hundreds of weddings,
Okay.
which is fine. Now, so tell me something. Now, when did you two meet? How long do you know each other?
We met in Sardinia in Italy.
Did you really?
Yeah, almost 1.5 years ago. And I don't know.
Yeah, that's where we met. And ever since then, it's been heaven. How's that?
Exactly.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
So what do you do? Do you live
I live in Paris. He lives in Monaco.
Yep, that's the
So
deal.
somewhere in between, right?
He brought me in Florida for vacation.
Yes, we love the beach. So I'm sure they'll be looking for that.
I know.
They're going to want to take pictures.
So are we going to Seven Sisters? I didn't know which area.
Here she is.
Okay.
This is it. Okay.
Have a wonderful time,
Okay.
everyone.
Thank you.
so
We'll
much.
see you in a minute. You'll be here, won't you?
No, I won't be here when you get back.
Watch with your shoes.
Yeah. There you go. Beautiful day to get married.
All right, folks, this is our aircraft over here.
Oh,
Okay.
look at that.
This looks nice.
Tell me where you'd like us to sit.
Yeah, we'll get to that.
Yeah, that's all right. Thank you.
Yeah. I want my bed.
One, two, three. Thank you.
All right.
Only one.
All right.
Oh my God.
That's right. We want a picture of you.
Oh, okay. I need to find. And
It's a
this is
man,
my
Mark.
headset Right
Oh,
here.
Yeah.
that one's yours.
you. All right. Start our journey.
There we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Whoops.
All right.
Wow, fabulous, huh?
I can't believe it.
Yeah. So, we wanted to bring everybody to our wedding, but it's really for Elizabeth and I. So, we're in this. Holy smokes. We got the whole
I
works.
guess, I should
We didn't
use
know
the
we were
white
having a party.
tablecloth. Yeah, right. You're the guest of honor.
Wonderful.
Wow.
There we go. Just gotta grab that
Yeah,
guy.
dig in. Manja. There you go. Perfect.
Those are good.
Our landing site down near the Colorado River.
I'm eating. With the sun.
Things.
Oh yeah.
All right. So,
You tell me when you're ready. Elizabeth. And then, of course, Elizabeth, I'll have you repeat vows after me, and I'll ask if there's anything you'd like to add to that. So now's your time. As soon as the both of you are ready, we're going to
oh my God.
I
you.
think we are.
Okay.
I don't want your sunglasses.
We're going to have
No
you.
sunglasses?
Mark, would you like to place them wherever
You mean
you'd like?
off?
On your blue.
Okay.
Okay.
All right,
That's
let's
good.
hold
You
hands.
safe here? Should I kiss the floor?
And a little spiritual. Right, God bless. Oh, do you know what?
Be careful.
I do need the rings.
Where's the
You're
rings?
going to be
Oh,
in
yeah.
charge
The
of them.
rings.
I'm just
We
letting
need
him know.
some
He's
of
the ring
those.
grab. Okay. Well, today's you're getting married. It's a special day, and I'm honored to be part of your special day. So I want you to just take a deep breath. I want you to both go back to the day you met each other. Remember that day? Now, I don't know if you fell in love instantly. I'm sure you were attracted to each other, but there were qualities that drew you to one another. And those qualities were instilled in you because of people that have touched your lives. Now, they're not right here right now, and some of them will be looking at the video, and some of those people could be looking down on us. And those are the people that helped influence you, that made each of you who you are, which brought the two of you together. Remember, we have to thank them for that. But also it's important going forward to remember that you have many family and friends back home. And utilize your family and friends, because marriage is a work in progress. And you need your family and friends to give you encouragement, support, and strength. So today everybody's going to celebrate. And when you get back home, you're going to tell your family to be there for both of you. So I had just asked about the day you met each other. And actually the day you met each other, or maybe it was love at first sight, I don't know. But the two of you became friends. And your friendship was and still is the foundation of your relationship. And it's very important throughout your married life that the two of you remain BFF, best friends forever. Because what best friends do is you share with each other your likes, your dislikes, your wants, your hopes, your dreams and desires. And at the end of the day, you need to laugh with each other and sometimes at each other. So remember, be good friends. And also in a few minutes, the two of you are going to be a couple, a Mr. and Mrs. for the rest of your life. Isn't that exciting?
Yes, very exciting.
It's also important to remember that the both of you are individuals, and that's what drew the both of you together. And there are going to be times in your life, Fred, when you do something that doesn't include Elizabeth. Elizabeth, you do something that doesn't include Fred. That's okay. Don't feel left out, because when you come back and you share that experience, your friendship's going to deepen, your love is going to grow. But most importantly, the trust that you have for one another is going to strengthen. And trust is a very important component for a happy, healthy relationship. Because let's face it, before you can love somebody, you have to trust them with your love. Right? And the last one's what I call the real tough one, forgiveness. There'll be times in your life when God's going to test your love. So what I recommend you do is formulate your thoughts, pray if you need to, talk to each other, work it out together. Nothing is insurmountable as long as you're doing it jointly. But most importantly, no matter how difficult of a day you've had with each other, kiss each other goodnight. So I'm going to have you now face each other and join hands. the beautiful bride's hand. Okay, Fred.
The
Do
kids
that
here.
now.
That's my You can kiss her
You have to wait.
anytime you'd like, okay? All right. Now look at your beautiful bride and repeat after me. I, Fred,
I, Fred,
stand before you today, Elizabeth.
stand before you today, Elizabeth.
Take you as my wife,
Take you as my wife,
my partner,
my partner,
and my best friend.
and my best friend.
For richer or poor,
For richer or poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
for better or worse,
for better and worse,
in the eyes of God,
in the eyes of God,
for the rest of my life.
for the rest of my life. And I will love her every day. That's all I can say.
Oh my.
Okay, it's your turn.
Now it's your turn.
I'm crying too, my God.
Okay.
Oh. I love you so much. This is all I can say.
And I'm going
You
to
know already all I think.
And now, I, Elizabeth,
I, Elizabeth,
stand before you today, Fred,
stand before you today, Fred,
and take you as my husband,
and take you as my husband,
my partner,
my partner,
and my best friend.
and my best friend.
For richer or poor,
For rich or poor,
in sickness and in health,
and sickness and health,
for better or worse,
for better or worse,
in the eyes of God,
in the eyes of God,
for the rest of my life.
for the rest of my life.
And now would you like to say anything else to Fred?
I just love you. Can't wait to kiss you.
And now may I have the rings?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay, just hold hands.
So far, so good.
I'm going to just take a moment and bless these rings. They essentially have found their soulmate. And that's what's happening today. The two of you are becoming soulmates. But also when I look down at wedding bands, I see they're made out of metal, which means they're very strong. And that represents the strength that you love for each other. Should you ever sleep apart at night, look down at your wedding band. Your love will reach out to each one of you and take care of you. And remember, they're a circle, so there's no beginning, there's no end to the love you'll always have for each other. So please take Elizabeth's ring. Just go halfway down on her ring finger. Look at her. Repeat after me. Please accept this ring
Please accept this ring
as a token of my love.
as a token of my love.
My heart is your shelter,
My heart is your shelter,
and my arms are your home.
and my arms are your home.
Just slide it on down. Good job.
There we go.
And now in his left hand, just halfway down, look at him. Repeat after me. Please accept this ring
Please accept this ring
as a token of my love.
as a
Token
token of
my love.
As a token of my love.
I promise
I promise
to celebrate
to celebrate
my life with you,
my life with you,
and also
and also
I promise
I promise
you shall never
you shall never
walk alone.
walk alone.
And just slide it on down.
Perfect.
So I can have you both just remain holding hands just for a little longer. I'm going to read to you one of my favorite poems, and it's called The Art of a Marriage by Wilfred Arlen Peterson. And it sums up everything I just said. And hopefully maybe 25 years from now, when the two of you are going through a vow renewal, you'll remember a little bit about this poem. Happiness in a marriage is not something that just happens. A good marriage must be created. In the art of a marriage, the little things are the big things. It's never being too old to hold hands, and it's remembering to say I love you at least once a day. It is at no time taking the other for granted. The courtship should not end with the honeymoon. It should continue throughout all the years. It is standing together facing the whole world. It is forming a circle of love that gathers the whole family. It is not looking for perfection in each other. It is cultivating flexibility, patience, understanding, and a sense of humor. It is having the capacity to forgive and to forget. It is giving each other an atmosphere in which each can grow. It is a common search for the good and the beautiful. But it's not only marrying the right partner, it's being the right partner. And that last line says it all. So today the two of you are starting this beautiful journey together as a married couple. If there's anything I can leave you with, every day you have together is a gift. So cherish it. So now by the powers vested in me, by the state of Nevada. I now pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations. You may now give each other a big kiss. Woo! You are married. Yay! Congratulations.
Thank you. Perfect.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna ask Robert.
I didn't think I was going to
Oh,
have these
oh my
tears,
God.
but I
What
guess
about me?
it's wonderful. Tears of joy. That's what I have. I love you. No more crying. I already started it. I started to cry. Did you ever think you'd be me?
Really?
Yeah. I love my ring.
Some champagne, folks.
Great.
Just for me.
Yeah, it's okay. Pour it. I'll just hold it, get a picture, and
Oh,
then I'll
okay.
give it to. I don't drink, but we'll give it to you, but you have to fly. We'll give it to our beautiful filmer. There you go.
Congratulations, folks. Beautiful ceremony. I wish you many happy years together.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Good drink, Harris. There you go.
Cheers.
That's it. Perfect.
Actually, this is one of the coolest weddings I've done.
We love together. That's it.
And then I just need you to print your name right there where it says witness. And it goes to the county.
You want a picture of this?
Oh,
Oh my gosh. She's really done it.
That's nice.
Beautiful. I even cut my fingernails. You're lucky.
Because you took my thing.
Yeah.
Got that.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you
How's it
witnessed.
feel?
Feels fantastic.
Good.
Come this way.
Yes.
Took 3 of them. How's that?
Thank you.
But did it get the helicopter?
No, we didn't get the helicopter. You got a blade.
Oh.
But you got some beautiful
Yes,
formations around.
it's beautiful.
Yeah, that's good.
Come my love. Come here.
How did you get the service? Oh, I got service here now.
I got service, yeah.
We didn't have
I have
service in the
Texas
plant.
service.
By the windshield. Yeah, come near the front door. There we go.
Okay, show this. Go like this, Elizabeth.
There we go.
Yeah, it's all over. It's all for the best. That's great.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
See them also at Trader Joe's. I'm
Let's
familiar.
have
I
the
buy them.
breakfast.
Please eat something if you want.
Yeah, I had a big,
Oh, yeah,
big
that's-
lunch.
You've done
Oh,
it
Oh,
pretty
appreciate
good.
really?
Thank you.
Are you from what part of Africa are you from?
Pretoria mostly,
Oh,
but you can transport. I think.
Let's take it. Do
maybe
you have
2
Because
at a
I
time.
know you have yours,
I got
and
it.
I'll give you your
Okay.
certificate.
I'll let you
Okay.
deal
Your
with it.
keepsake.
My pleasure.
Yeah, you guys are awesome.
Have no idea where we are. It's like heaven. Be married. Wonderful. Have a look around. We came to a special place. We did it. Wonderful. Hi.
Wait,
Don't fall down. Stay right there.
Right, no, please stay here. You're too far.
Okay. How about if I take a picture of you?
No.
Want me to help you?
No, I'm good. I would like you give me those.
Don't drop them. If you lose them, they're gone. All right.
Just like a nice picture of you for your mom.
All right. So
mine.
here's married life.
Make a big smile.
Oh yeah, I've heard that.
Gorgeous.
With the helicopter? Watch it don't fall off.
1, 2, 3.
It's on this adventure of life from now on.
And what
I guess it's a good way to start, huh? Amazing.
I am Elizabeth.
Yeah, I am Fred. And it's wonderful. Mm. I hope it's going to be good. We'll make a good one.
And you too.
Oh, yeah.
Listen.
Okay, wait.
Come with
I'll
me.
pick up these.
Leave them for now. I think everything is perfect.
Come on. Oh, you better tell him that on the film. Says it thinks it's perfect.
Everything is
I'm taking
perfect.
you on a little adventure. Life. Lots of
Love, joy, and happiness.
everything you need.
And laughter.
That's good. Thank you. Very happy. Bum, bum, That's it. Well, so it was a little different. But thank you, because Elizabeth and I are a little different. We love everybody. Thank you.
Yep, we got it all.
I don't pollute anything.
Got
me,
it.
me in first, and it's Elizabeth. So, peace. Who loves you, baby? Here we go. Okay, I'm up. Here we go. Oh yeah, I got bigger hands than you. How about?
Woo. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. There we go. Make sure
Right.
you got it.
Oh, maybe I need to take the.
Look at that. Who loves you, baby? Wait, you want to get the bags? Carry it, or are they going to get it?
Make a picture for your mom and dad. This is Maria.
Hi. Oh, this is absolutely amazing.
Where's my,
husband.
where's my husband, she says. Thank you.
Very much. It was a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you. Both sides.
That's right.
Thank you.
Tell Marcus.
Done. Sorry, I leave you with.
Congratulations.
Thank
Yeah.
you. You're my witness.
It was a privilege.
All right, there we go. Thank you. It was really nice. All right, there we go. Are you the same guy? That's a new deal, all new deal. Thank you. All right, it's.
Oh, God.
Thank you, Mark.
Mark, mwah, thank you.
today.